Mastering SEO writing, create content that ranks. Unlock the secrets of SEO writing with our comprehensive guide. Learn how to craft content that not only engages your audience, but also ranks high on search engines. Don't forget to subscribe for daily insights. And if you have questions, drop a comment below. Welcome to our SEO Mastery series. Today, we're diving into the art of SEO writing. If you're getting value from our videos, please subscribe as we release new content daily. Let's get started. SEO writing is all about crafting content that's not just engaging for your readers, but also optimized for search engines. It's a skill that blends creativity with technical know-how. First, keyword research is your foundation. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your content. Remember, stuffing keywords will do more harm than good. It's all about balance. Now, let's talk about crafting your content. Start with a compelling headline. Use your primary keyword and make it intriguing. Your opening paragraph should hook the reader. Use your keyword here, but keep it natural. Engage your audience with a question or a fascinating fact. As you write, focus on readability. Short paragraphs, bullet points, and subheadings make your content skimmable and enjoyable. Don't forget about meta descriptions and title tags. They should be enticing and include your primary keyword. Images can boost engagement. Use alt text with keywords to make them SEO friendly. Lastly, internal and external linking can significantly boost your SEO. Link to reputable sources and your own relevant content. Remember, SEO writing is a skill that improves with practice. Keep experimenting and tracking your results. If you got value from this video, please give us a like. And don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more SEO insights by subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.